What's going on, micro scale garagers? I'm working on the D4L's light group interface definition, and I just got done soldering up my the rear brake light, the right turn signals, the auxiliary light, and the front headlights. And I'm gonna do the left turn signals and the brake light. I had to flip it over because I had some solder touching. I just wanted to clean up the solder, but now I'm going to try and do the other two. I don't have that good of a nail on my solder iron, so just been wiping it on my pants. I'm going to find the hot spot on my nail, and then I'm going to touch it to the bottom and just kind of flow the solder. Ah, oh. Alright, so I got the reverse lights powered up. Negative is going to be closer to this plug, just like on the left turn signals, negative and then positive. Front headlights, negative and positive, and so forth, all the way around. So now I'm going to go ahead and maybe cut this wire and then add 2 more wires going to the the other side of the reverse lights. Alright, I got 2 sets, power, negative, so that way I want to go to the left and right for the reverse. And then on the end of here I'm gonna solder up the reverse lights, or try to, but I'm running out of solder. So I think I'm gonna end it here, and then make sure all the solders are good. You don't want that. You don't want them touching. So I gotta clean that up. Alright, I just want to say like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to continue to solder these up with what little solder I got. Maybe I can get the wires connected. And I was thinking, before I end the video, I don't have enough room. I'll show you guys how I'm going to place it, because I still want the Lego guy to be in here. But the center of gravity, I kind of wanted the speed controller to be in the center over the motor and transmission, because this is the heaviest. The speaker is pretty light. I'm gonna trim these two ears right here, and it can actually, the speaker can fit this way, it can fit this way, you know, it can fit in the truck. And so what I'm gonna do is something like this. And then, like, I was just weighing it just in my hand, and with it right there in front with the speed controller and receiver box in front of the axle, not really all that heavy in the back. But if you scoot that receiver box back there with the battery, really heavy in the back. But I'm thinking like this, I'll still have room for my Lego guy, and then I'm gonna print another seat, but I'm gonna go on Thingiverse and I'm gonna put a hole in it, so that way the power switch will go through the seat, hopefully, and I could just glue it in. But I'm not gonna pull all these lights out and put them in Dan's truck. I'm just gonna wire up and get Dan some new lights in the rear and everything. So, alright you guys, it's just me messing around with the D4L, adding it into the OH32 A02. And yeah, like, share, subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.